Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use two WhatsApp in one phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. In the search bar, you have to search your app clone. Here it is. You have to press on this. Now you can see here WhatsApp. If you want to use two WhatsApp in one phone, you just have to turn on the button. Now let's see. Here you can see two WhatsApp and you can use it individually. That's it. So this is how to use two WhatsApp in one phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.